Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Now, today's video is about Thai lottery HTF cut widget formula free up cut fast. So let's move on to our video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go and hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification icon in order to get our latest video notification. Now, our first result is 56724. In this result, we're going to apply our formula on the previous result in order to get our next cut rate. As you can see, our cut digit is 3. This digit has passed in the result, previous result 567. This digit 3 has been cut. Now, let's move on to our next result. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, go and hit the subscribe button and press the notification icon in order to get latest video notification from our channel. Now our next result is 96764. Now, as you can see, this formula is valid only for HTF cut digit. So we are going to apply our formula on the previous result in order to get our cut digit for this result. Now by applying formula, we get our first cut digit, which is 0. As you can see, this digit has also passed. 0 does not exist in HTF. Now, let's move on to our next result. Next result is 25883. So we will apply our formula in the previous result and we will get our cut digit for this result. Over here also, as you can see, our cut digit is 0. 0 doesn't exist in HTF, so this is also passed. Now let's move on to our next result. Our next result is 28653. Now we're going to apply our formula in the previous result in order to get our cut digit for this result. After applying our formula for cut digit, we get 9. As you can see, 9 doesn't exist in 286, so we consider this result as passed. Now let's move to our next result. Now our previous result was 29192. Now we're going to apply our cut digit formula in the previous result in order to get our cut digit for this result. After applying our formula, we get the cut digit, which is 2. 2 doesn't exist in 391 HTF, so we consider this result as passed. Now let's move on to our next result. Our first result was 81188. We're going to apply our formula on the previous result, which was 39192. After applying our formula on the previous result, we get cut digit 3. As you can see, 3 doesn't exist in HTF, so we consider this result as passed. Now let's move on to our next result. Now our first result was 99798. In this result, we're going to apply cut digit formula on 81188 in order to get our cut digit for this result. After applying formula on the previous result, we get our cut digit, which is 5. As you can see, 5 doesn't exist in HTF, so we consider this result as passed also. Now let's move on to our next result. Our post result was 08357. We're going to apply our cut digit formula on the previous result, which was 99798, in order to get our cut digit for this result. After applying our formula on the previous result, we get cut digit 4. As you can see, 4 doesn't exist in the previous result, so we consider this result as passed. Now let's move on to another next result. Our post result was 89359. In this result, we're going to apply our formula on the previous result, which was 08357. After applying our formula, we will get the cut digit for this result. After applying our formula on the previous result, we get cut digit as 2. As you can see, 2 doesn't exist in our previous HTF result, so we consider this result as passed. Now let's move on to our upcoming draw, which is going to be on 16/10/2020. After applying formula on the previous result, which was 89359, we will get our cut digit for the upcoming result. After applying our formula on the previous result, we get our cut digit as 3. This cut digit is valid for HTF, so we're going to wait for the upcoming draw. Until then, just note down the cut digit. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, go and hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification icon in order to get our latest video notification. We're going to meet you in our next video, inshallah. So take care.